Alexa, I want to play the Akinator game.
Welcome back. I can read your mind. Think of a character. I will try to guess it. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Sorry, I did not catch that. I can read your mind. Think of a character. I will try to guess it. Are you ready?
Yes.
Does your character make YouTube videos?
No.
Did your character have a wife?
Yes.
Is your character linked with sports?
Yes.
Is your character Indian?
Yes.
Ha. Is your character married to a star?
No.
Is your character linked with the Chennai Super Kings?
No.
I see. Has your character ever played for Mumbai Indians?
Yes.
Ha. Is your character retired?
Yes.
Okay. Is your character Punjabi?
No.
Does your character hold a world record?
Yes.
I guess that you are thinking of Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. Is it correct?
Yes,
Am I
this is
right?
correct. Yes.
Sorry, I did not catch that. I guess that you are thinking of Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. Is it correct? Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, I guessed right. Do you want to play again?